This secret WooCommerce feature boosted my business 200%. WooCommerce developed tips. 1. Tax configuration. It is common that the first time a product is published in WooCommerce, it comes with a tax write-down in a product sheet, despite it seems to be the most logical thing to do. It is not a good idea for several reasons. The main one is that taxes would not appear wrote down on the payment page. Most time taxes must go with products since they are a necessary condition to issue legal invoices. Also, customers may be exempt from paying taxes of certain regions or countries. In addition, if by any chance the percentage varied, you must have to recalculate the prices of the products one by one. WooCommerce has a great solution, since it is featured with a tool to manage taxes and apply them automatically. It also deals with such value-added tax, better known as VAT. 2. Customize cost based on weight and location. The shipping cost system is another thing you should configure if you're a WooCommerce store. You need to define rates before sending packages. To calculate the price, you should consider aspects like products, weight, and target destination address. Although basic installation of this platform does not include any option that allows you to configure shipping cost according to these settings, there are solutions in the form of plugins to carry out a complete management using the rates of the courier agency with which you work. Table rate shipping is the best alternative that exists to configure shipping cost according to zone and weight. Stock control. Managing your product inventory in WooCommerce is a fairly simple task. This platform has an exclusive settings panel to control your business stock. This is very important because you have to synchronize it with your online sales. We could point out that to configure your merchandise stock, the process can be divided in two parts. First of all, there is a general inventory settings for a store, so you have the option to define all actions WooCommerce will perform based on your stock level of each product. On the other hand, you also have the option to define the amount of stock available for individual items separately. 3. Simple products or products with variations. Attributes. When you define to which category a product belongs in your online store, you are somehow classifying your items according to their characteristics, so that users find it easy to find what they are looking for. This is a key to have a well-ordered catalog. But there are always products that share many characteristics or can be classified into multiple categories. For example, for clothing, sale, or footwear, it is convenient to use attributes option in WooCommerce, as it allows the user to define specific characteristics of a product such as size, color, material. On the other hand, some attributes are mainly used for this purpose. They are also effective in establishing searches between products of different categories. Insert fields in payment pages. WooCommerce default form model. Just include fields for the minimum information needed to be able to send orders to your customers. If you want extra information from users, such as the NIF, number needed to generate invoices, you must add this field in the form. As a specialist creating WordPress websites, We remind you that the best choice to simplify your work is to download a plugin like the WooCommerce Checkout Manager. 4. Invoice creation. One of the most important things in any online store are invoices. Although many customers are satisfied with the summary email or order confirmation, it is important for your business that you customize your e-commerce space with this option to generate invoices, since it is a legal document that justifies any expenses. There are many types of plugins to do so, but the most important thing is that all of them give you the ability to automate invoices delivered to customers once you have configured them. 5. Wish list. Many people choose to use the wish list option because it allows any user who visits a WooCommerce store to create a list of those products they are most interested in buying sooner or later. This way, when they decide to purchase a product, they will not have to search for them again to buy from your store, and simply make the payment directly. We would like to clarify that wish lists are not the same as shopping cart options, since wish lists are stored permanently in the customer profile of a user, whether they have previously purchased something or not. In WooCommerce, you have many plugins that allow you to incorporate some function for your customers to fully see your products. The goal is to offer a better view of products' characteristics to your possible buyers. This is a really effective way to give that professional look to your products in a quick, neat, and attractive way. As you can see, the possibilities you customization in WooCommerce are endless. That is why we recommend that for the configuration of the different functionalities you get in touch with professional experts. 7. Payment methods. WooCommerce offers many payment options. There are more than 140 ways for your customers to pay you. This is very important because it gives you international presence and you are less likely to receive an order cancellation. Open source. This feature is one of the biggest advantages of WooCommerce. It allows your online store to maintain your company's identity by giving you full customization. So you can include third-party software and apps that are part of your business management. Your business management. Facebook store. Of course, the world's largest social network could not be left out. WooCommerce can connect your online store to a Facebook page to increase the reach of your offer